Do you know how low women participation is in the Indian workforce? 20%. Only 20% of Indian women participate in our workforce. In fact, in urban India, it's only 15%. Compare that to China, which is at 60%, and the USA, which is at 55%. Also, compare that to male participation rates in India, which is at 80%. What is the problem here? Why are women not participating in the Indian workforce? The problem is that women do not stay engaged in their careers, whether they are a starter, restarter, or riser. So many women at the start itself don't even get into their careers. Right after they graduate, they get married. Right when they get married, they decide that they don't need to work, or they're not allowed to work, or they migrate to another city. The women who do start working, half of them stop working within 3 years. Because what hits then? It's usually motherhood. And so you finally see that low participation rates in the Indian workplace. What do women need to solve this? At Herky, we feel it's a three-pronged approach. Women need opportunities, they need learning, and they need communities. With opportunities, they need jobs at companies which are women-friendly, which want women to work there and are willing to go the extra mile to make sure that women can participate and perform better in the workplace. Women need learning. They need specific learning interventions that cater to the needs of women. Not just hard skills, but also life skills. How to manage the myriad of other areas that come into their lives during their different career journey. And most importantly, they need communities. They need communities of other people, other peers, other society, which will pull them up and not push them down. All of these can be provided to women by champions of women's careers. And that's when Herky comes in. Herky will be a women's career engagement platform to ensure that we are maximizing women's economic potential by keeping them engaged in their career journeys through opportunities, learning, and communities which can be provided to them by champions of women's careers. So come join us and be a part of Herky. Be a part of Herky by being that woman who wants to stay engaged with her career, or be a part of Herky by being a champion of women's careers.